In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add link on LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to show you on my PC. So if you have a mobile phone, same method but different devices. So first, after login, you can see this is the dashboard. Now click on the the profile. Again, visit profile. Then you can see this is my profile. So I need to click on this pencil icon. Again, here is a lots of things. Just scroll down so you can see this is the edit contact info. Then again scroll down so you can see here are the website link available. So if you want to add any link here, you are able to add. So example purpose, I add YouTube link. Example of this is my website address. Now select website type. So personal, company, blog, RSS feed, portfolio, anything you can select. Now click on save. That's it. It's automatically saved on my profile. So if you want to add multiple link, this is also possible. You can see here is the add website. So this is the method how you can add a link on a LinkedIn profile. So if you found this video helpful for me, subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.